Alright, well, I've seen a lot of posts on Facebook talking about, your data, what Facebook's doing with it, what they're not doing with it. They've been doing the same thing with their data for a long time. The one post that I keep seeing is the one where the people, they want you to go into your settings and turn off the tracking that Facebook performs. Now, they've been doing this for a long time, like I said, and they're still going to do it. I want to show you one other way to take this to another level. You can actually block all Facebook trackers this way from seeing whatever else you're doing. Instagram, and I think it even covers messenger.com. So what we're going to do is open up Firefox this time, and we're going to do an add-on. We're going to go to the menu up here in the top right hand corner. We're going to come down here to add-ons, and we're going to go up here to search, and we're going to search Facebook containers. And right here, container, I apologize, no S. Right here, Facebook container. Now what this thing is going to do is every time you open up Facebook or Instagram, and I want to say messenger.com, we'll check that here in just a second. Every time you open up one of those three websites, it puts it in a protected container, which means now you can open up another tab and go to Target or Walmart or ESPN or whatever other website, and Facebook is not tracking what you're doing then. So let's go ahead and click on this Facebook container, and we're simply just going to click right here where it says add to Firefox. Once that's done, we're going to have to say add. If you say cancel, this won't work. They're just saying, hey, we need access to your data. This is all obvious stuff. This is not a security risk. Let's go ahead and say add. And you can say, okay, I got it. Right up here in the top right hand corner, you can see everything is done. I'm going to say, okay, I got it. And look right here, there is a little fence in the top right hand corner. This is our Facebook container. Now, every time I go to Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and left click on this, and it says sites allowed in the container. I'll show you. So there's Instagram, Facebook, and that messenger.com that I was talking about. So anytime we go to one of those three websites, the container is automatically going to load, keeping our Facebook traffic separate from everything else. So let's test it out real quick. I'm going to open up another tab here, and I'm going to type in Facebook. And you can notice right here, it's asking me to go ahead and log in, but look right here beside the Facebook title, there's a fence showing me that this is being fenced off. Also up here in the tab, notice there is a black bar under the title now. This is also because this is fenced off, or contained, if you will, separated from other websites. So this is one way, and again, this is just in Firefox. We can do another video for Chrome and some other browsers later. But this is how you can keep that data separate, your Facebook data separate, from everything else that you're doing online, so they can't track you anymore.